Hi guys, welcome to another episode of How to Tutorials. This is Super Sam once again, and in this very episode I'm going to show you how to use preview range for alternative start and end animation playback. So let's get started. In this scene, I have my animation here that spans over 500 frames. It's around 800 something frames. Okay, and by default, if I punch the space bar on my keyboard to play this animation, I'm going to have it play through frame 1 to the end here, which is 800 something. And you can see it here. Start is 1 and end is 886. Okay, but what happens if I decide to preview a particular portion of my entire range? That becomes a bit difficult if you don't know how to do it. So this is what this particular video is meant for. I'm going to show you two ways to do it. The first way is the long cut, and the second way is using your shortcut to achieve that. So if you look at the values here, you would see this clock stopwatch icon. When you click on this stopwatch icon, every other area is being grayed out except for this tiny area here. So I'm going to zoom in for you to see it clearly. So between 500 and 530, and if you look at the values I have here, I have 500 and 530. So that means this range is my new preview range. So I'm going to try this out by just hitting the spacebar to play, and you can see what is going on. We have the loop between 500 and 530 frames. So that's the first way to do it. Now the second way to do it is I'm going to click this out, and I'm going to choose this part of the shot by punching P on my keyboard and dragging over this. So you can see this area is my new preview range. Alright, it's playing from this value 252 to 384, and I'm gonna do it again just to show you. That's my new P again, and that's my new. So video very short, information very short, but can be very helpful in helping you preview whatever section you want to within your animation range. So I hope you've learned a lot from this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you've not done so. This is where I'm going to call it a wrap for today. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, keep your animation skill blended.